Hey guys, so in this CapCut for PC tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add caption to your audio. Here's a simple example. Hey guys, how's going? In CapCut, to create a project, click the plus sign to start creating. In the main screen, select Media so we can import our audio and video. Drag your audio file into Media. In the audio file, click the plus sign to add the track into the timeline. I want to generate caption for this audio file. Hey guys, how's going? Click text. Auto caption. And select the caption language. If you have subtitle, then you can check this box say clear current subtitle. Click the create button to generate captions. Great, the caption being generated. You can update the caption text. Change the caption style such as color, background. Hey guys, how's going? Hey guys, how's going? Once done, you can export the video. You can change the export option, such as select a different resolution, format, frame rate. Click export to export the video. So here's the exported file. Here's the exported video with caption. Hey guys, how's going? Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you to add caption to your audio in CapCut for PC. Thanks for watching. Click a like if you like this video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you next video. Bye!